Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Technology for You. If you like the videos, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos. So we start. In this video, we will see the basic working principle of hybrid power plant. We go to introduction. What is working principle of hybrid power plant? Hybrid power are combination between different technologies to produce the power. In this video, we'll see about solar wind hybrid power plant. In power engineering, hybrid power means combined power energy storage system. We see block diagram of this hybrid power plant. In block diagram, we see solar panel, controller, batteries, inverter and wind power plant. We see their functions one by one. So first one, solar panel. It converts sun rays into electrical energy. Second one, controller. Controller monitors the system starting and stopping engine as per need. Third one, batteries. Batteries are used to store the energy. Fourth one, inverter. Inverter converts DC power to AC power. And fifth one, wind power plant. It converts wind energy into electrical energy. Then we will see their features. So first one, solar energy. Sun rays are converted into electrical energy. It has unlimited supply of energy. It has no negative impact. It is free of cost. And this energy is free from pollution. Next one, wind energy. It converts wind energy into electrical energy. It has no fuel cost and it is also free from pollution. Then we will see why there is need of hybridization. So first point are for increasing the output. Second point are for fulfilling the demand of customer. And third one are providing uninterrupted power supply. Then we will see the features of solar wind hybrid power plant. It is power clear and non-polluting. It is complement to each other and it has stable power supply. Then we will see working of this hybrid power plant. So working of this hybrid power plant are solar and wind energy produce DC power. The inverter converts DC power into AC power. Controller monitors the system. This is basic working principle of solar wind hybrid power plant. Then we will see advantages and disadvantages of solar wind hybrid power plant. Advantages are very high reliability. It has long-term sustainability. It has high energy output. It has low maintenance cost. It has long-term warranty. No pollution. And it has clean and pure energy. And its disadvantages are there are large number of harmonics are produced. Initial investment is more for setup. Large space required for this solar wind hybrid power plant. Wind energy are noisy in operation and efficiency is low than conventional power plant. Then we will see applications and future scope for solar wind hybrid power plant. Applications are it is used in hotels, industries, street light and commercial power generation. And future scope for this hybrid power plant are there will be more efficiency in future and it is widely used in different fields. The conclusion of this presentation are there are many places in India or in world there's a total darkness. Therefore, we are convened to use such technology. If you like the video, please like, comment and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have this presentation is posted in my blog. The blog link is in description. You check it. Thank you.